What if the one place your baby is supposed to be safest is the most dangerous? The wrong crib could be a parent's worst nightmare. Our team of safety experts spent 6 months and over $10,000 secretly testing 37 of the most popular cribs on the market. We looked for hidden dangers, structural flaws, and toxic materials. What we found will change how you shop forever. One of these top-rated cribs failed spectacularly. All the links to the safest top-rated picks are in the video description. This is the truth you need to hear before your baby takes their first breath. Starting at number 1. Our picks of cribs. The Storkcraft Equinox 3-in-1 crib is a modern take on a familiar classic with simple styling and playful crisscross end caps. This primarily solid wood baby crib has chip-resistant paint and a sturdy stance and is one of the easiest in our tests to assemble, set up between 30 to 33 minutes. We like the overall appearance, which at least attempts to hide or disguise fasteners, unlike most contenders that leave them exposed. One tester said, "I like the simple, clean design. This frame converts to a toddler or daybed with parts you must buy separately. The materials are GREENGUARD Gold certified, and the crib opening fits our favorite mattresses with ease during testing. We like that the platform is metal, avoiding the MDF board, which can contain formaldehyde and other off-gassing materials. The Equinox is one of the largest options in the group, measuring 58 inches by 29.5 inches in our tests. This could be a deal-breaker if your space is smaller. The Babyletto Hudson and the Babyletto Lolly are 4.5 inches shorter and could be a better fit in some spaces. The Equinox also has one of the lowest sitting mattress levels, which can be a blessing and a curse. While its depth is excellent for standing or climbing toddlers, petite parents can find it challenging to reach deeper into a crib to soothe a distressed baby. The mattress height is adjustable, which will alleviate some potential problems, but not all of them. As one tester stated, "I think I'll have to make frequent adjustments to make this suitable for me and my baby as they grow." If your budget is a bit tighter, the Carter's by Da Vinci Colby 4-in-1 is a similar minimal-style crib that costs less with similar features. Overall, we love the unique look of the Equinox and find the design complements most modern nurseries with a subtle look that allows other elements to shine. Number 2. Best bang for your crib buck. The Carter's by Da Vinci Colby 4-in-1 is an unassuming, lovely option that lets your baby and fitted sheet shine like a framed, priceless work of art. This product lets other nursery pieces stand out with a simple rectangle, slat design, and contrasting color scheme. This crib is solid wood with potential multi-step, non-toxic paint, though we prefer the unpainted option after testing both. It is also GREENGUARD Gold certified and made from sustainable New Zealand pine wood and TSCA-compliant engineered wood. It includes 4 mattress heights with a range of 8.5 inches and a metal platform that avoids MDF. The Colby was one of the easiest in the group to assemble, taking under 30 minutes in our tests with fewer dowels and bolts than some competitors. Our tester reports, "I think this crib was easier to assemble than most of the competition and felt intuitive. The wood on the Colby feels somehow softer than much of the competition, and it easily dents. We experienced this during our limited testing, or the paint might transfer to objects that knock into it. Again, we'd choose the unpainted option. We think this crib might show its age before it has outlived its usefulness, which is something to consider if you find long-term perfection necessary. However, as our tester stated, I don't think this will impact its longevity. It is on the bigger side at a measured footprint of 55.6 by 29.6 inches in our tests, so if space is a concern, one of the Babyletto cribs could be a better fit. If you like simple but want a little more detailing, the Storkcraft Equinox 3-in-1 has a modern design that offers closed ends and a bit more style. Warning, it is even bigger, though. Overall, we love Colby's simplicity and think most parents will love it as much for what it is as they will for what it isn't. Number 3. Favorite crib for simplicity. The Babyletto Lolly 3-in-1 is a modern and beautiful nursery addition we think most parents will love. It comes in a styrofoam-free package with included hardware and tools. In our tests, it offered a wide platform height range of 8.8 inches, with one of the higher platforms for infants and young babies to make it easier on caregivers. This crib has fine attention to detail, like rounded corners and an MDF-free design. Our tester remarked, I can tell the difference side by side in the quality of the lolly compared to less expensive options. Our tests show it worked well with our favorite mattresses and includes a metal wire platform. The lolly is GreenGuard Gold certified, lovely to look at, and easy to use. It is made with solid renewable pine wood from New Zealand and has been tested for over 10,000 chemical emissions. It is one of the smaller options in the review, measuring 53.5 inch by 29.8 inches in our tests, making it a good contender for those with smaller spaces. Number 4. Best Baby Crib for Longevity. The Babyletto Hudson 3-in-1 is an impressive convertible crib that comes with a toddler rail for conversion to a toddler bed. We love the quality of this crib and the fact that it doesn't use styrofoam packaging. This crib fits our favorite mattresses like a glove during testing. It has a snug fit but is not so snug that it was hard to change a sheet. We like the metal wire mattress platform, which helps it earn a GreenGuard Gold certified status, as does the renewable pine wood from New Zealand. In our measurement tests, it was one of the smallest, with a footprint of 53.5 inches by 29.5 inches. In our tests, it offers 4 platform heights and has a range of 8.5 inches. As our tester reports, the mattress platform range is pretty good. I like the different levels for newborns and toddlers. And that concludes our deep dive into the world of baby crib safety. We know this is a huge decision and we hope this testing brings you peace of mind. Remember, all the product links for our top-rated safest picks are in the video description below for easy shopping. Your baby's safety is everything. If this video helped you, please smash the like button. It helps us expose more unsafe products. Share this vital guide with every expecting parent you know. They will thank you for it. Subscribe and hit the bell because next week we're exposing the truth about car seat safety and you do not want to miss it. Sleep safe, everyone.